In this video, I will show you how to use points or coupon while purchasing items in SHEIN. First of all, open SHEIN, go to the item that you want to purchase, then click on Add to Cart or Buy Now. You can choose a size and simply click on Add to Cart. Then at the top of the screen, you can see your cart icon, simply click on it. Here, choose the items that you want to purchase. Then at the bottom of the screen you can see checkout. Click on checkout. Here you can choose your payment method. If you scroll down below, you can see apply coupon. If you have any coupons available, simply type out the coupon, then click on apply. Then you can see points. Click on it. Here you will be able to see your maximum available points and you can simply click on apply. Simply click on continue, then you'll be able to get discount using coupons and points in SHEIN. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel and leave us a comment down below. Thank you for watching.